Hello everyone! Today we will explain the working principle of cloud storage and how to obtain continued recording.
Hi Rocky, I'm very frustrated with the cloud storage. Every time there's an event, it only records for like 10 seconds. Why can't I just record for a few minutes? What if I miss something important?
That's a great question, Kevin. I understand your concern. The reason lies in how cloud storage is designed to work efficiently. It's not meant for 24/7 continuous recording like a traditional DVR.
Efficiently? How's recording for only 10 seconds efficient?
Actually, it's all based on motion detection. The camera is not recording to the cloud all the time. Instead, it's constantly analyzing the video feed for any movement. When motion is detected, that's the trigger. It started recording to the cloud.
Okay, it starts when it sees me. But I was in the room for a whole minute. Why did it stop after I left? And only capture me walking past?
Exactly, and here's the key part. To save your cloud storage space and bandwidth, the recording does not continue indefinitely. It typically stops 2 seconds after the motion ends. So, if you walk through the room and then leave, the camera will record the period of motion plus a short 2-second buffer after you are gone, and then it stops.
Oh, I see. So, most of the time the alerts are for short events, someone passing by, a package being delivered, which results in these short video clips.
Precisely. This design ensures you capture all the important events without filling up your storage with hours of empty footage. It's smart, efficient, and cost-effective, and the camera also supports card storage. If long-term recording is needed, card storage can be used with multiple storage methods.
That makes a lot of sense now. Thanks for clearing that up, Rocky.
You are welcome, Kevin.
So there you have it. Those short clips are a feature, not a flaw. They are your camera intelligently capturing the action and saving your resources. If you need continuous recording, you might want to look into local storage options like an SD card. Thank you for watching.